All right, here we go with question number 3. Okay, so it's asking, what is the diameter of the circle? Wow. Okay, so if we go back to question number 1, it asks what is the diameter of this circle. Now we're on question number 3, and it wants to know the diameter of this circle. So what I'm going to do is, because I don't want to walk you through everything and you just follow the videos of what I'm doing, what I'm going to do is I'm going to help you by adding the formula. The formula for finding the diameter equals D equals 2R, or 2 times the radius. Now, they give you the radius, R equals 5 cm. So your equation, you don't know your D, so your D equals 2 and then 5 cm, times 5 cm. So your answer is what you're going to write there. You guys should know this. Then you're going to drag your highlighted box over to whichever one it is, and then you're going to take one of these and you're going to drag it up here. I do not want to sit and continue to give you all of these answers, because then you're never going to figure this out on your own. I've given you all the way up to this point. So if we have to find another diameter with a radius, I'm just going to give you the formula. So that way you know what it is. And then you have to plug in your numbers, because you guys need to get to that step on your own. So if you need a refresher, go back to question 1, click on the video link. Whoops, I have to turn that to a different color so you can see it. And then you'll be able to help walk you through it. But I think by what I gave you, you should be able to walk through this and be able to find the answer.